future tense will plus be going to inna fuldura ibsuudhaaf will fi be going to wal cinaa qabnee haa ilaallume. Simple future tense looking ahead waan fuuldura kee jiru ilaalaa waan fuulduraatti xiyyeeffate ibsuudhaaf will plus be going to dhaan fayyadamna. Mastawaashaan dabtaraatiin yaazu waa sadi ilaalle simple present fi simple past fi amma itti aanu immoo kan fuulduraa future. Kanaaf wantoota sadeen kana beekuudha qabdaa jechuudha. Barataa. Let us master how to talk confidently about the future. Akka nama gooftaatti ofitti amantummaa guutuudhaan waa'ee fuuchurii xinxaaltee akka dubbatutti mee ilaallu. ወደፊት ጊዜ የሚገለጽ ሁለት ዋና መንገዶች wantoota fuulduraa kan ibsan karaalee gurguddaa lamaatu jira. Expressing future the two main ways. Simple future ለሚገለጽ ሁለቱም will እና be going to ብቻም አቅማቸው ላይ እንደ እያንዳንዱ ልዩነት ምርጫዎች አሉ። will plus base form be going to base form yet be am if easy if are አሁን እያንዳንዱ መቼ እንደሚጠቀም will plus base form መቼና ለምን yoomii fi eessatti kan jedhu kan fakkeenyaaf ibsisaa caasaasaa positive irratti subjective plus will plus base form jedhamu. I will go, she will study. Negative subject plus will not or won't plus base form he won't him, they want to know. Question will plus subject plus base form will you help, will it rain. The structure is the same for all subjects. Caasaan maatii hundaafuu tokko. Wanna አጠቃቀሞች may use ድንገተኛ ውሳኔዎች spontaneous discussion, instant discussion murtiiwwan hatattamaa በንግግር ወቅት at the moment of speaking bakka dubbii sanitti fakkeenyaaf example phone ring okay I will answer it. Silkiin si dawwalamee nin deebisa silk sixxaraa ishee እኔም አሳያለሁ ብሎ በብዙ ቀንጽበት መወሰን. Example like this. Hot in here. You arise. I will open the window. እዚሁ ሙቀት ነው። ልክ ነው። መስኮቱን ይከፍታለሁ። ወዲሁ የተወሰነ ከዛም ቢዎች prediction based on opinion or general belief ወደፊት ስለሚሆን ነገር ጎል fakkeenyaaf example the sun will rise tomorrow morning. ፀሐይ ነገ ጠዋት ታወጣለች. I will be 20 next year. የሚቀጥል ዓመቴ 20 ይሆናል። Okay, explaining and understanding. English code can be used for the future fact that are certain to happen. Be going with plus base for መቼና ለምን እየዋቃቀረ structure explain and understanding code. Positive subject plus am is and are plus going to place plus base form. I'm going to eat. She's going to travel. They're going to wait. Subject plus am is and are or not plus going to base form. I am not going to argue. He is not going to help. Question am. Short answer is are plus subject plus going to plus base form. Question mark. Are you going to came? Is it going to rain? Biggest subject gara መስማት አለበት. The verb must be agree with subject so of the